Voice control can be used to operate functions of your BMW with spoken commands. You can activate voice control by pressing the button on the steering wheel, or in newer cars, by saying the activation word. With BMW Connected Drive, we offer off-board voice processing for your intelligent voice assistant. Off-board voice processing means that artificial intelligence in the cloud processes voice commands.
Hey BMW, drive me to the airport.
The intelligent voice assistant understands natural speech, enabling you to intuitively interact with your vehicle. You can also activate Siri on your paired iPhone by long pressing the voice control button on the steering wheel. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.